Did it really? Oh no! It's great content though. You said you wanted to make YouTube videos.
If only.
You're making YouTube videos now.
Get what we did, I'ma buy you a drink. I got money in the
We're definitely gonna, like Max said, we're definitely gonna be here for a minute though, because there's a lot of trucks out here. Gary's truck's my favorite.
Gary's? That's so sick.
For sure, absolutely.
It's so sick.
Oh, no, that one's my favorite.
Don't.
You gonna leave it out here? So, Gary, no, I said this in the video yesterday, actually, or in the video earlier today. Somehow that fell off the truck yesterday at the show. I'm not sure how. I think it was like vandalism or something, because it looks like somebody cut it. That's wild. Hey, I mean, blessing and a curse, you know. Oh, you got me all. Sheesh. Woo. Hey, twin.
She's good. I'll have to get back in that bitch with no steps.
That's fire.
That turn or what?
I thought you were gonna try and cut it a little sharper, but
I'm not gonna lie, my decal guy is gonna hate me.
oh, absolutely.
Look at the bars, bro.
Worth it. When's the next time you're gonna get? Well, I mean, you live out here, so you can do it anytime you want. That's the shot right there. That's fire. Hey, cover your lips, twin.
Damn, killed the truck too.
Did it really?
Yeah. God.
Oh no! Oh no!
We'll be fine.
We got a trailer.
Shit was dope.
It's a million views right there.
That's,
Mom, I'm doing donuts.
That is not ideal. Hopefully we can get on the trail. That's all that matters, right? Fix it at the shop. Yo.
This exactly is why I switched my flight and didn't go home.
God damn.
Because we wouldn't be here to do this. Get it started. It's going to be all right.
It ain't dead, too, so I'm worried about fuel. Holy shit, took the bar. Woo. Hopefully it's just a little warm.
Yeah, I'm sure. I believe in you. My camera's in the truck.
Bro, look. Polished up.
You ain't gonna clean that out real quick?
Uh-uh.
You ain't?
Uh-uh.
Hey, I know that you don't have your camera here, but it's great content though.
I know.
You said you wanted to make YouTube videos.
If only.
You're making YouTube videos
If only
now.
Little Caesars didn't take my fucking...
Right, 24 valve Russell on the wheels.
Jesus, fuck.
24. Hey. You
got me?
Yeah, I got you. Broke his truck right in the wheels. Sheesh! I got that thing right now. I got that thing right now. Hey, lick your lips, twin. It's getting dry here, twin. Damn thing on the trailer right now.
Yeah, let's get that thing in the fucking... Look at all the fuel leaking.
Hey, it's been a pleasure. Oh, sorry. Oh, we can do that too. Sorry. I was
Let's just fish each other's balls.
my first time meeting Aiden, and we're stuck in the desert together. Fucking love it. So
that's how you know our friendship's gonna be a party.
forever. And I gambled for the first time with this man. We gotta go make some money.
Broke your fucking virginity.
Yeah, next time we come to Vegas, or when we come to his show in June 6th. Look at me remembering that already.
Yeah, for sure.
Y'all got casinos out there or no?
Not in Utah, but like 20 minutes past the show, it's the Nevada border.
We'll go. We'll do that.
We went to Titty Club, everything.
Get this motherfucker on the trailer.
Facing that way? Face this way?
Shameless plug. Stop trying. It's only right. Finish off the series in Vegas with Peepaw at my favorite taco place in the whole world. He's enjoying himself. Let's get this bread. All right. I know this video ended very randomly. Okay, we went to the desert. We had a good time. This clip is like a month after SEMA. Okay, this is a month later, but for some reason I'm in Vegas right now, and one of my favorite things in the world is tacos. Right. So we're at the taco stand in Las Vegas. We're like 10 minutes off the strip, and we're gonna do a little food review to finish off the Vegas series for 2025. My favorite place right now is Tacos El Gordo, which they're actually, no, I did film that.
the clip right before this clip is Tacos El Gordo with Peepaw right after on Sunday. So I'm gonna compare this to Tacos El Gordo. We're at the taco stand. We ought to see that. When we get our food, I'll let you know how it is. It seems legit. It seems legit. So I'm excited. I don't think Phoenix is a fan, but
No.
chicken and the chicken and carne asada, I'm not a big fan of those tacos anyway. I feel like most of the time chicken's like very bland and carne asada is pretty bland. Some places do it really well. The main reason why I come and get tacos is I always get El Pastor. The El Pastor was good here, but not better than Tacos El Gordo, personally. But churros though, fucking hit. Fucking fire. Hope y'all enjoyed the Vegas vlog. Let's get this better.
We are back for SEMA vlog. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas. We're in the desert.
Come check us out in the South Pole.
I haven't had Chick-fil-A in 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind.
Appreciate it. Give me one. Give me one.
The all polished aluminum.
My favorite truck of the show.
100K on YouTube. That's where we're gonna ride the strip. Thatwide bow tie. Come on, that white tonight.
I drop 30 on this room.